which you would have seen in my most previous video. Fished for largemouth and caught one trout there. Trying to face away from the wind here, but we're gonna head out, or we're fishing this other lake here. Also stocked with trout, and actually pretty recently, so I have a spinner tied up, but I also have some bass stuff because I think that's gonna be the game here. Let's see what we can do. There we go, got one. Oh, it's just a little guy. Oh man. Spinnerbait. It's definitely gonna be that kind of day though, I think. Spinnerbait, so. You gotta start somewhere, I guess, huh? There we go, on the swim bait. Better than the first one. Still not a giant by any means, but he will do the trick. So there we go. There's a good one, or a better one, I should say. So good start so far. These little guys seem to be pretty aggressive. I caught that one on a swim bait with an underspin. One of my favorite baits to use for this time of year. It's just such a good spring bait. There's one. Again on the swim bait, and again a pretty small one. Man, I don't know if there's any good fish in here. There you go. I've only fished this once before, and I didn't really catch any good ones that time either, but that was a few years ago. Just no, it doesn't look like much has changed, but maybe we'll run into a big guy here. Never know. Oh man, and here we go. Another giant fish. tell you what, I'm not sure if there's anything else in here. Maybe I'll start trout fishing, I don't know. It's so windy. I don't know how much longer I'm going to put up with it, to be completely honest, especially if the fish are this small. I mean, it's nice to catch fish, but man, is it worth it to be in these 40-mile-per-hour winds and everything? I don't know. There we go. Oh man. Alright. Another little one. They always hit it so hard. You think you're about to have a monster, but again, just a little guy. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm giving up here. Had a good morning at the other lake I was fishing at, so check that video out. This one, I mean, at least I caught some fish, but just not great as far as size, that's for sure. But I'll take what I can get. It's just so windy, just a constant wind. I almost had a headache from it. Hopefully you guys can hear me at some point today, and hopefully you enjoyed the video a little bit. And I will see you next time when I see outdoors.